a gal named Cecelia seen that piece of content, and I'm going to actually have her come and share her story. Because I'm telling you guys, and she's going to tell you how many South Africa millionaires there are now. Like, I never thought me showing up on social media could impact people all over the world. If you have a heart to help people, this is perfect for you. Because now we just get to make an impact literally all over the world. And it is the coolest thing ever. So, Cecelia, are you with us, my friend? I'd love for you to share that story.
I just love to share the story. And it's like you said, we all consume social media because that was exactly what I did after I had the toughest day of all, where I was like, this mom desperate to be able to have time with my child, but I literally couldn't do that because I was working. I was always working, yet I never had time with my child. But when she asked for something, I still had to say no. There wasn't that extra money. I mean, for the smallest things at the front of a counter, I had to say no. And after having a hectic day like that at my salon, I consumed TikTok 5 o'clock in the morning just before waking her up for school. And as I consumed it, there you popped up when I needed you the most. And I was like, what? A mom of six working 2 hours a day. I wish I could work 2 hours a day, but I heard you speaking in dollars, and I immediately my heart sank into my shoes. And I was like, oh, this can't work in South Africa because it's dollars again. But I decided, let me go click on that link. Let me just click on the link and check it out. So the next thing, I got an invite to a webinar like this, and I thought, let me jump on this. And when I saw the way that you explained it, it's like, I am on my phone. Every single day, I am consuming social media. Why not use that to make an income? And yeah, 6 weeks into this, like Michelle woke up to a sale from me, you guys, because I mean, I'm 8 hours away from her. She woke up with a ding in her PayPal. So 6 weeks into this of implementing the 2 hour workflow, literally creating 3 videos a day, replying to emails, CTAs, I had my first ding. I woke up to a sound. I was like, what? This works in South Africa. And 2 hours later, I made another $300 while doing somebody's nails for 280 Rand, which in the dollar currency is less than $20. And I was like, wow. And the significance of that, because today I went to go and do my nails. And while sitting there doing my nails, I got ding, $300 coming in. And my heart just, it just burst. And it just took me back to when I used to work 15 hours a day, when I didn't have time to spend with my child, and where I am these days literally living the life of my dreams. I never thought this would be possible. 3 months into this, you guys, I was completely debt free. I used to be phoned by debt collectors more than my mom. 5 months into this, I flipped my zip code. I always said one day when I'm grown up, I'm going to live near the ocean. Well, 5 months after starting to earn 100% profits with an automated system, I could flip my zip code. But when I flipped my zip code, I didn't need to open up my salon again. I didn't need to work 15 hours anymore. I didn't need to apply for a job because I could literally continue working 2 hours a day. The significance of this, I mean, if I just think of my life 2 years back as what Januaries look like, I want to cringe. But it's January and I've made over $12,000. It's 5 days into this sprint, 5 days of this sprint where I get daily action steps to follow, and I'm already on $1,700. That is so, it's life changing. While I got to be next to the sports field with my child today. And I have a business out there while I do my nails and I've got money coming in. And I know there's moments that it sounds like, wow, this sounds too good to be true. It's not. Okay. It's not. If you've ever felt like there's got to be more to life than this, what you're currently having, then I want to be the hope girl on the other side, like Michelle was the hope girl for me. And I want to tell you, there's way more to life than being overworked and underpaid, than being overworked and stressed out, not having time with your family. Just the ricochet of that one post of Michelle has created 17 self-made South African millionaires. 17. That's apart from the countless six-figure earning parents on a monthly basis, bringing in six figures in our currency. It is phenomenal what a dollar income can do for you, what a daily dollar income can do for you while you get to spend your time with your family. This is just awesome. And I'll forever, Michelle, forever be grateful just for, coming across you that day, for giving me hope and for sharing this with me. This is like, love you forever. And, just love you forever for what you did for me and my family and everybody that came across this. The value is impeccable. It is amazing.
And it is. I love that so much what you said, but somebody had made a comment. So it's just this like selling master resale rights. Is there any value in it? So would you like to share with them, like, once they purchase, like, what do they get? Like the live
Let me
interactive.
add I can go on about this. For me, the furious thing of starting out with an online business was I did this so many times where you buy something and you are left on your own. You have to figure it out. It's you, your computer, and you are on your own. Where with this, that free community and that support, that daily guidance, the mentoring was just phenomenal. The mindset, because when I started with this, I was a broken, beaten down mom. I mean, I get goosebumps thinking of this. I did most of my crying in the shower, trying to hide my tears from my child, looking in a mirror and thinking, how the hell did I get here? How did I end up here? So the mindset training in this is phenomenal. But I mean, I purchased a $900 program. I got 4 immediate income streams from that. It is just a bit over 20 months later. I'm currently working on my 15th income stream, and that number 15 is going to turn into multiple income streams just on its own. Just on its own, from the skills that I've learned inside of this program. So no, it's not just a buy and sell. It's literally having something in your hands that people by the hundreds and thousands are looking for on the internet daily. And if you have learned to market to them what they are searching for, my friend, when they come across you, it's going to be like, you've got what I want, just give it to me. Just give it to me, because it's about the skills. And that's the one thing nobody will ever be able to take away from me. I'll never in my life be broke again with what I've learned from this. Never.
Absolutely. That's what's nice. The skills. Nobody can ever take those skills away from you and the person you become in this journey. So, thank you so much for sharing. And I love your story. And you guys, actually, she did some coaching yesterday inside the community, because this is a live and interactive program and then if you can't get on the live and interactive program the calls, you get access. And she just slayed it yesterday. So it was so good. So thank you, my friend.